sa atin. At kung hindi ito totoo, hindi talaga ito mahalaga para sa akin. Siya mismo, kung mali, ay walang importansya. At kung totoo, ay walang katapusang importansya. Ang isang bagay na hindi pwedeng mangyari ay banayad ay importante lang.
Si C.S. Lewis ay isang tao na nagbigay ng oras upang sinasabi ng ebidensya at ang naging conclusion niya ay totoo ito. Marami sa mga influential scientists ay mga Kristiyano tulad ni Newton, Kepler, Galileo, Copernicus. Pati ang ibang mga respetadong scientist ngayon tulad ni Francis Collins na isang director sa isang Human Genome Project, isang proyekto na pinag-aralan ng buong DNA ng tao.
Well, in the home where I grew up, faith was not something that was talked about very much. My father was a professor of drama, my mother a playwright. When I went to college and those discussions in the dorm late at night about religion began to occur, I had no particular reason to attach value to a faith system. It had never been something I was familiar with or had internalized. I ended up in the medical school curriculum, sitting at the bedside of patients with diseases. And one afternoon, one of my patients, a wonderful elderly woman, much like a grandmother, who had very bad heart disease. She had a particularly bad episode of chest pain while I was with her, and she got through it. And at the end of that, explained to me how her faith was the thing that helped her in that situation. And after she finished her own very personal discussion, and she looked at me quizzically and she said, "What do you believe?" And ultimately I had to admit to myself that her question had made me realize that I had arrived at an answer to the most important issue that we humans have to deal with, is there God? And I had arrived there without ever really looking at the evidence. And I was supposed to be a scientist. If there's one thing scientists claim they do, is to arrive at conclusions based upon evidence. And I hadn't taken the trouble to do that. I thought Christ was as much myth as history, and I realized after reading more about it, this was a historical figure upon which we have a great deal of evidence for his existence and his teachings, and even his rising from the dead in a literal way. I realized for the first time that one can come to believe on a rational basis, a journey that I had thought would result in strengthening my atheism, but to my surprise, resulted in my conversion.
Narinig ko ang sabi ng isang tao, ang pananampalataya at siyensya ay magkasama. Pero sa totoo, ang pananampalataya at siyensya, pareho silang nagbibigay ng paliwanag tungkol sa mundo na magkatuwang sa bawat isa.
Ang pananampalataya ay tumutulong magkaroon ng kahulugan ng mga tanong gaya ng bakit tayo nabubuhay? Hahayaan namin ang mga kaibigan namin sila Jassy at Landry ang magpaliwanag nito ng
Okay, meron akong cake na kakatapos ko lang i-bake.